guys, it's Mariam. So today I am going to be unboxing my print that I ordered from Mapiful. I am so excited because I feel like this is such a great way to begin 2021. I've also been really needing some new prints and wall decor, so when Mapiful reached out to me, I was so elated. But a quick disclaimer, this video is not sponsored, but this item was kindly gifted to me by Mapiful, so I want to give them a huge thank you for sending this to me. I will have a link to their website in the description box. Now, if you've never heard of Mapiful before, they are a brand that sell prints and frames, and they are so personalized and customizable. Like, I have never seen prints that are this customizable in my life. So the kind of prints that you can get from them are your zodiac sign. You can also get a print of a city, state, or country that you love or that you want to visit. And this is probably my favorite one. You can actually get a customized print where you can select the city, a date, and a time, and it'll print off the constellations of that exact date and time in that city. I think that is such a sentimental piece to have in your house. So that is actually the print that I ended up choosing. Also, towards the end of this video, I will show you guys how you can actually order your own Mapiful print. It's so easy and it's so much fun. Like, you can actually customize everything. Like, you can choose any city, any state, any suburb, and you can even choose what kind of colors you want. They have so many different colors. I went for a super minimal one because I know that will go with any area of the house. All right, so now let's get into unboxing this package. So excited. All right, so where's the opening? Ooh, okay. I can see there's bubble wrap, which is a good sign because that means that it is very secure. Okay, so I've just taken it out of the box and it has come all bubble wrapped, and it's also got like this brown paper as well, just to make sure everything's secure. So I can definitely confirm when you order this, they package it like so carefully so it doesn't get damaged while it gets delivered to your house. So I'm just gonna open this up now and you guys will see my print, and I'll also share like a little bit of a story of why I got this print and why it's so special to me. So I can see my print is here, so I'm just gonna take it off. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Oh, you guys can't even see because I'm not even showing you. This is the print. How beautiful. As I said, I went for a very minimal aesthetic, so I went for like black and white. I really like the black because it really resembles like a night sky, which goes perfectly considering I got a constellation print. But first of all, I am so happy that this did not get crumpled up in the mail at all, and it feels like such good quality. So this is so worth it, and I'm obsessed with this. This literally looks so beautiful. I got the constellations of the exact date and time that I was born, and I have my birthplace, which is Kandy, Sri Lanka, and this is what the stars look like on the date and the time that I was born in Kandy, Sri Lanka, and it is beautiful. I absolutely love this. So I wanted to share with you guys a little story behind my print and why I chose this particular one. First of all, as you can see, this is what the stars look like on the date and time that I was born in Kandy, Sri Lanka. This is quite special to me because I live in Australia and I have a lot of family members that I absolutely love who live in Sri Lanka, and I was actually meant to go visit them last year because I haven't seen them in over 3 years, and because of everything with COVID, I couldn't do that. So I feel like I have a little piece of my family who live in Sri Lanka, as well as like my birthplace in Australia, and that's why I decided to choose this one. Also, I'm very into like the stars and the moon, constellations, all that kind of stuff as well. So that's why I chose the constellation print over the city print, but I really love the city print too because I think that is so beautiful, and I think it would be really cool to actually get the city print as well, like later on, and have the two prints next to each other. That would be so cool. So yeah, I feel like this print is so special because it kind of feels like I have a little bit of Sri Lanka and my grandparents and my other family members with me, and that I think is so special because who knows how long it's going to be until I can actually go travel and see my family in Sri Lanka. That's why this print is very special to me, and I am so glad that Mapiful has the ability to actually take these special memories and deliver it to your door pretty much. So yeah, that is the print that I got. I will also show you guys the frame that I decided to get as well. This is the frame that I also got. I just got the black wooden frame, which I think is going to go so well because the actual constellation globe is black as well. So like, can you see that together? Like, that's going to look so good. I am so excited. I am going to pop in the print a little bit later. Once I actually put the print inside the frame, I will insert a photo of it so you can see what it looks like inside the frame itself. But I love the fact that they actually sell frames on their website. Otherwise I would have struggled so much finding a frame like in real life. That's why I decided to get them both together. Also, I forgot to mention to you guys, oh my god, they have free shipping worldwide. So when you order your print, you don't have to pay anything extra for shipping, and it also gets delivered super fast. Like, I think it took only like a week, maybe less, to get to my house, which is absolutely incredible. I love when shipping is so fast, especially when you're not paying anything extra for shipping. And also, you don't have to live in Australia to get the free shipping. It is free shipping worldwide, which I think is absolutely incredible. Now, as promised, I am going to show you how to order your own Mapiful print. It's so easy. Alright, so basically once you go onto the Mapiful website, which I'll leave their website link down below, this is what the website looks like. It comes up with a few options. So you've got the classic Mapiful, which is the actual city map, and then you have the star Mapiful, which is the one that I got, and then you have the zodiac Mapiful, and you also have the text art Mapiful. So you've got 4 different options, but I'll show you how to do the star Mapiful one because that's the one that I chose. So you just click on design your own. So this is the template that comes up, and then you can pick the location and the date. So for me, I went with Kandy, Sri Lanka, because that's the city that I was born in. So you just type in Kandy, and then it's the first one that comes up. So you click on that, and then this is where you can really customize it. So you go on to enter your specific date, and then you can enter the specific date that you want. So for me, I went with my birthday, so you just click on the year, and then I just went down to 1998, and then you go on to the month. So I was born in August, and then you can pick the actual date. So I went with the 14th. Then you can choose the time. So I'm just gonna choose the time, and obviously it changes the constellations. And then you click OK, and then OK again. And then that's the actual constellation. So that's the time and the date of what the stars look like in Kandy on the 14th of August 1998 at 3:48 AM. Now it is in military time, so keep that in mind. And then you can actually customize the style. So this is where you can actually pick the color of your print. So I think I went with dark. No, I went with bright. So the one that I chose was bright, but you can also go with the modern one. You can go with the dark one. You also have this really cool nautical one. This is the one that my friend Ali has, and it's so pretty. And then yeah, you have a bunch of different options that you can choose, and you can also choose to get rid of like the constellations, or you can also choose to like get rid of the grid thing as well. I kept the constellations and the grid because I think that looked awesome. And then you can actually customize the text as well. So if you wanted to write like, say instead of Kandy, you wanted to type in like my birthday, you can do that. Like, that is so cool. So say if you were getting like an anniversary present or something for someone, and you were doing like the stars and the date of the date that you met, you can literally just like type in the night we met. That would be so freaking cute. But I just left it normal as Kandy. And then you can actually choose your size as well. So I think I went with the 18 by 24 one. I think that's what I went with. And you can also choose if you want landscape or portrait, and then you just add it to your cart, and that's it. So as you can see, it's super easy to actually order your own print from Mapiful, and you can also order your own frames as well. So I do want to give a huge thank you to Mapiful for sending me their print and their frame. I'm honestly so grateful. This means so much to me, and this is such an amazing start to the new year. Like I said, I will leave the link to their website, and don't forget they do have the free shipping worldwide, which is awesome, and it is so customizable and personalized, so you can do pretty much anything you want with the prints. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed watching this unboxing, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below. I post new videos every single week, and go ahead and follow me on my social medias. I post a ton on there as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! My love.